20 million people across the United States have gained health coverage under Obamacare. Some, like Becky, also now have their pre-existing conditions covered, helping those most in need to avoid racking up huge medical bills. But since the election, the healthcare legislation is in peril.
My prescriptions were close to $5,000 a month. That hurts. You know, that hurts, but it's not something that you can say, okay, well, I just won't use it this month. You know, it doesn't work that way. So I had to pay. That's without insurance. Think about the millions of people that don't have insurance. It's just remarkable that we're even considering doing away with any provision of the Affordable Care Act.
4 years ago, Becky was celebrating outside the Supreme Court when the individual mandate of the Affordable Care Act was declared constitutional. One of the many challenges that were brought against the healthcare reform since Barack Obama signed it into law in 2010.
The Affordable Care Act, this law, is saving money for families and for businesses. This law is also saving lives. Lives that touch all of us. It's working despite countless attempts to repeal, undermine, defund, and defame this law.
But after all the effort and political capital Obama put into one of the cornerstones of his presidency, Obamacare will likely soon be repealed. A promise oft repeated by incoming President Donald Trump throughout the 2016 campaign. Following Trump's victory, enrollment surged. Facing an uncertain future, state providers are calling for calm.
And our message to those folks really is we're providing these services today. It's important that they make decisions about their coverage for 2017, now. And we'll work with them as well as the incoming administration to figure out the future.
So far, Trump doesn't have a plan to help replace coverage for the millions benefiting from the Affordable Care Act. But the president-elect has softened his stance, saying that some provisions, like the one helping Becky and those with pre-existing conditions, could be saved.